We will travel again.
Long journey today.
Papa.
Yeah, we come too late.
Why?
The last bus is.
Another booking again?
Yeah,
The
from
price?
our cafe to Cameron Highlands. Yeah, 100 is it's a little bit less than 100 is. We came from Singapore, but originally I'm from Russia. She's from Philippines.
Bye-bye. Oh, sit down. Bye-bye. 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 Up. Up. What? Still. Stop. Stay put. Up. Babushka. 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 Babushka.
Where's Babushka?
Babushka.
Babushka.
Babushka, ada mama. Oh. Hi. Ada. Hey, yeah, help me.
What you do?
Help me.
Luchik already sleepy.
Bam, bam, bam.
We're waiting for Archie because I asked him to buy some water, but I don't know if he buy water or other things, just in case. So at least we know when we arrive in our place, we will not feel thirsty. Oh, he only bought water, I think. Yeah. Oh no, some snacks also over there. Maybe he go toilet. Papa go toilet.
Did you go toilet?
Yes.
See you, Daddy, go to toilet.
Daddy go toilet. How can you say babushka?
Babushka.
Привет. You say привет.
Babies.
Huh?
Babies.
Oh, Papa should teach you how to speak. Because Mama also don't know how to speak.
Where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy? Daddy go toilet.
Daddy go toilet. Struck.
Yes. So it's already 8:55 and we will go to Cameron Highlands. Yeah, we will go to Cameron Highlands. It will take us about 3 hours plus. So let's see what time we will arrive there. We just booked a private car.
Papa coming.
Papa already coming over
Daddy,
there.
hi.
Huh? What?
Hi, where you go? Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Why you have to walk up stuck?
Daddy bought something, not only water. Thank you, Papa. What's that? Water
Snack for
and
kids.
some snacks?
Yeah.
Okay, but I don't want to give them, Papa, because
This
maybe
is gummy bear.
Gummy bear?
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow or now.
I think a gummy bear should be okay, right?
Okay.
This for myself, yeah.
Okay. And then some snacks also. Water and snacks.
We have this happy candy. Mom, we have this. See, happy statue.
This shop I have a little more like natural snacks.
Daddy,
Wow,
happy
that's nice.
statue. Daddy, mommy, I want to open.
Papa said she want to open already strawberry gummy. Gummy strawberry. Okay, I will open then. Wait. This one. This is Himalayan salt candy. So it's my first time to try. Give me one.
Yeah, because the snack I didn't see in Singapore.
Yeah. Oh, interesting. What they sell there pa. Interesting.
Yeah, that's why I buy it, because
So
something
like
new.
this. So like you're just eating like salt or what? Or have some
Salt,
taste?
sugar, salt, plum, candy.
Okay, I will try now.
I asked him to reduce aircon. It's very cold.
Adeline.
Where's my Luchik?
Oh, Luchik is here.
Where's Papa?
Papa take the key. Our things is here. We already here in our apartment. Give one to Luchik also. One gummy to Luchik, please. Give.
Help me, Mommy. Help me, my computer.
Give one to Luchik. Give one to Luchik. Adeline. Hey, why you bite? Give one. You give. Why you need to bite?
It's 12.
Uy, you see? Fall down.
30.
Dirty. It's dirty. No, need to wash. Need to throw.
Return 12. Return 12.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, Papa said let's go.
Oh, you need to use card.
Yeah, you need to use access card to press the button. Yeah, so we will stay in the 5th floor.
Okay, let's go.
Door opening.
Let's go, Dylan. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Hello. Mommy, see headphone. Sit down. See headphone.
We're here.
Headphone. It's so nice. Help me, headphone.
This is the place where we will stay. Over here is the... This is already the kitchen, pa, right? Maybe this one is storage or storeroom because it's closed. I already checked, it's closed. Yeah.
This cannot open, close.
Pa, you see the design like this, like separate. This one,
Yeah, but very
electric
simple.
stove.
Kitchen, to be honest, very simple.
Yeah, they have rice cooker, they have bread toaster, electric kettle, and then microwave.
Mommy, do you want to cook? Want to cook?
What you want to cook? Huh? She said she want to cook. Okay, over here is the dining area. Oh, the fridge is over here. This is the fridge. You see, luckily we bought water,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, but I think Papa, this one can drink or no? This one, like filter.
I need to ask.
Yeah. So
Tomorrow because already she's sleeping.
yeah, it's quite late already. It's actually 11 o'clock plus.
Almost 12.
Yeah, so they also provide some sleeper because actually it's cold here. You see, I am wearing socks because it's cold. So what is this, pa? What is this?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Some spray.
Yeah, maybe for disinfectant or what?
Yeah. They have also nice balcony, yes. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So wow, they have huge living room. You see, kids can lay down, and then TV. So this is our balcony. Maybe tomorrow I will just show because it's nighttime. Cannot show also what to see here. Wait, we open. It's just dark. Yeah, just dark. But you see, yeah, pooling. Like I feel like we are in Baguio City, Philippines. Yeah, like Papa, right? Same temperature, Papa, right? When we were in Baguio City before.
Yeah, about the same, yeah.
It's cooling.
Cozy.
We don't need to use aircon pa.
Yay. And then,
Okay, let's check the room. This is the toilet. Toilet and bath. Just like that. So there's a connecting door over here. This one. Archie will stay here. So he have some access to the toilet and bath. This will be his room. The bed is firm. He also have some working desk here. He can work because he still need to work actually. That's why it's good that they have some working space. And then this room, me and the kids will stay here because we have our own toilet and bath. So I don't need to go on the other toilet. I have a small toilet and bath here. Like that. See? Some closet. Then I have some window here also. And then let's check the other room. This one. So no one will stay here. This is just extra room. Okay, that's all. Have some water heater.
Yeah. Water heater.
How? So we will sleep. No, already we will just prepare our things like this and then. You sure? No?
Oh, have.
Papa, don't scare me. It's cold. Don't scare me. I want water heater,
No, but why
please.
is no sign but a heater? They have here, I don't have this thing.
I don't know. Maybe just connected. They have just one supply for water heater. I don't know. Let's see. But you say they have not this here. That's why maybe have. Maybe I just need to switch on this one because I see no button. Oh, they even have fan, but I don't know if we need to use fan because it's already cold. No need. Not used to Papa, right?
Instead of fan, they actually should provide a heater, air heater.
Yeah.
Time, like, morning.
So like when you come, you already feel like warm, right? You know, in Thailand, right, they have, like you need to switch on this device.
Yeah.
They should have here.
Yeah.
We have thermometer here. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah.
But the degree is 22. Like we have natural aircon. So outside is 19 degrees. Here inside is 22 degrees. Only fan, no aircon here because it's already cooling.